Welcome to Stateroom 10834. This is a balcony cabin on the starboard side of the ship. Let's take a tour. Oh. This configuration has the sofa first, then it has the bed and the balcony. So you'll see that this is two beds put together. So this should be about a queen size bed here. And across from the bed, you do have a large TV. It's a pretty large TV. It does, oh, it's on a bracket. It doesn't extend out and it doesn't swivel, so don't try it. On either side of the bed, there are two lamps, and each lamp has a USB and a USB-C port. So you are able to charge your devices. And then you have your bedside table, and it has two shelves for you to store a few things. On this side, again, you have that lamp that features the two charging ports. Behind the lamp, there is an outlet. This lamp doesn't move. Nope, it does not. Behind the lamp, you're gonna have an outlet here that you can plug in a device, and then it has the light switches. So you have some evening lights. So it's a night light for when you wanna go to the bathroom. And then you're going to have cabin lights. They turn on and off all of the cabin lights. This section of the cabin, you have this sofa. This is a family balcony room. So this is gonna sleep more than two people. It is a pull-out bed that is here. So I'm sure in the evenings you can request and they pull out the sofa bed for you. Over here, you have your desk area. There is a drawer for additional storage. There's a mirror here, and then you're going to have an American outlet, USB-C, a USB, and then a European outlet here as well. There's more. You don't just have these, you also have these that are over here. So you're gonna have two more additional American outlets. That's amazing. Nobody's going to be fighting for outlet space in this cabin. You're gonna have a light here for your mirror. So if anybody wants to do their hair or get ready for the evening, you have some additional lights in the mirror so you could do that. Right here, they have, this should either be a fridge or a little cooler. It's not that cool, so it must be a cooler. And they have here, they have water and sparkling water, and that is for an upcharge. As you make your way this way in the cabin, they have these lovely hooks here. For a newer ship, you don't have to bring your magnetic hooks because they usually come with all of these hanging solutions already in the cabin for you. Here we have the bathroom, and then across from the bathroom is the closet. So there are three doors. We have this one here with some hanging space. There's a shelf, and then you're gonna have your safe for the room, and then two baskets down here. Easy to slide out and store all of your items. You have your full length mirror that's right here. This side again has more hanging space and then two additional baskets. Also here, you'll see that there is another flip down. So you do have another shelf that you can store your items here. And the last closet, majority of it is hanging space. We used it right now for our luggage, but there is another drop down shelf back here that you can use. And let's check out the bathroom. And this is the bathroom. I love a Prima class ship for the bathrooms. For me, I know I'm tinier than most people, so this is enough space for me. We have here our shower, and it's going to have body wash and I believe like shampoo in here for you to use. A newer ship, so you don't have to bring your hand soap. It already comes with the hand soap available. It's not a bar soap, it's actually liquid hand soap. There is a plug in here. It looks like it can convert. It says it's 120 and a 230 volt. So you can plug in your hair dryer, your shaver, things like that. Over here, you have additional storage beneath the sink, and there's also a garbage can. There are two shelves and a pull-out drawer so you can store additional items in the bathroom. And then they have these lovely shelves up here. There's tons and tons of storage in this room. Last but not least, best feature of this room, the balcony. The balcony has these lush loungers for you to sit in. You cannot recline these. This is it. There's no additional footrest, but it's a pretty decent sized balcony. You have your small table. You can sip on a cocktail and just watch the ocean roll by. But for now, we have to watch Ocean Boulevard. And that's it, guys. This is our stateroom 10834 on the Norwegian Luna. We're gonna have more content coming out. We're gonna have a ship tour and we're gonna have some vlogs. So please stay tuned, check back on the channel and we'll have those videos posted. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.